Your library has a lot of great material, both physical and in online databases, and can help you access a wide variety of literature, articles, and studies. But even the greatest, largest, and most complete library does not have everything. At the David D. Palmer Health Sciences Library, we want to help you get the most out of your education and are dedicated to helping you succeed. So today we're going to look at another resource available to help you with your research and study. Did you know you can just Google it, even when it comes to academic writing? Google Scholar is a tool you can use not only to search your library, but also the World Wide Web for articles, studies, and other publications on a never-ending list of topics. To use this tool, start by going to scholar.google.com. This will bring you to the Google Scholar main webpage. You don't have to log in to use Google Scholar, but you can choose to do so at any time. From this screen, you need to set up your library settings to search both the David D. Palmer Health Sciences Library as well as the web. This will grant you access to our current collection as well as information we may not have in the library or in one of our databases. Start by clicking the hamburger menu icon and clicking Settings. From there, click the tab on the left labeled Library Links. Mine is already synced, as you can see here, but to find your library, enter the library name into the search box here, and then select it when it comes up. For example, let's try Harvard University. Now, if I click the check mark, Google Scholar will also search all the databases at Harvard University, in addition to my search of the Palmer Library and the web. Another tip to keep in mind is that the Palmer Library database is synced to a larger database called WorldCat. If you add this to your search, as I have here, it'll help you access even more. Once your library options are set, let's go back to the main page and run a search. For this example, let's try searching for Effect of Pain Neuroscience Education. This will pull up a selection of academic publications. If you're having any difficulty pulling up the search results you desire, you can narrow your search just like you would at your library. To narrow your search, you can adjust the search parameters on the left side of the screen. You can also use the Create Alert button to set up notifications to your email with any new material if you have an ongoing research project. So let's look at this first article. The search results will show you the title of the article, the authors involved, and a brief description or excerpt, much like your standard Google search. To the right of the result will be the location and the type of result. Now, this particular article is in HTML format at nih.gov. This means that if we click on it, we can read the article in its entirety online. It also has a Find It at Palmer link, and clicking this will take you to where it can be found here at our library. From there, depending on the item, you'll be able to access it directly or request an interlibrary loan. Google Scholar has several options you wouldn't find in a standard Google search. You can save articles for future reference, cite articles in different citation formats like MLA and APA, and save said citations for your bibliography. The Cited By link will show you how many other publications have used this particular article as a source. As you can see, our first search result has been cited by 125 publications, while our second result has been cited by 425 publications. This is a really good way to see what other researchers are discussing on your particular topic and can help lead you to other resources. The Related Articles link will show you articles on similar topics as well. By clicking the All Versions link, you'll be able to see everywhere the article has been published and discussed, which can help you discover even more resources. This is just a quick overview of what you can do with Google Scholar. As always, if you find you're struggling to find something specific or need more advice, feel free to contact a librarian.